Hey guys, back with another one. Walmart, $11.98. Let's see what we got. Just got done opening one of these. You got patch card. You get the 2 longevities. That feels like the thick one. Maybe. Yeah, it feels like the thick one, I guess. You get 2 longevities and you get the Crusade card. It seems like out of a box. You get like 4 inserts. Okay. Eli Manning with a nasty crease. Same with this one. So, Verse, Lee House. Okay, the insert doesn't have it. Des Bryant. And it stopped. Quentin Patton, rookie, doesn't have it. White, Percy Harvin, Reggie Wayne, and Carson Palmer. Man, those got some bad creases, like they got stuck in the sorting machine or something. Well, at least the rookie doesn't have it. Oh. Shout out to Bart, it is a 49ers. Quentin Patton. Someone who actually plays for them. Here's another crease. Daryl Richardson, Maurice Jones-Drew, Steven Jackson, Jimmy Graham. Okay, Nick Casa. This is probably a longevity. It is, rookie. Luckily, it does not have the crease that the other... Seems like the first 4 or 5 cards in these packs. King, rookie, for Denver. Adrian Peterson, the child abuser. All you gotta do is look at the photos and what he did. Terrible. Absolutely terrible. Especially to a 4-year-old. No one shouldn't do that to any kid. If he did that to an adult, he'd be thrown in jail just as quick. Trent Richardson, Antonio Gates, Jordy Nelson. All these have got a nasty crease in all of them. Alright, we get to here, and it doesn't. NFL Nation, some dude named Aaron Rodgers. Never heard of him. What is that a girl named Aaron? Huh, I don't know. Shout out to Troy. Rodney Smith, rookie. Demaria Thomas, Sam Bradford, Justin Blackman, and Julio Jones. Okay, let's see what we got. Romo, another crease. Charles, another crease. Another crease. Torrey Smith. Another crease. Hakeem Nicks. Through Crusade, does not look like it's damaged. Robert Woods, nope. It's like the first 4 or 5 cards got it. And then the other ones don't. Thank goodness. Derek Rogers. Or Darrick Rogers. Buffalo. Adrian Foster. Got a Bear, Brandon Marshall, and Deshaun Jackson. Yep, the whole bloody box has got them. Sanchez, Jackson, Colin Kaepernick. I don't know if it shows up there. You can see it a little, the crease. Man, more than half the box is going to be crease cards. Vincent Jackson should be longevity. Yep. So, yep, you get like 1 rookie longevity and 1 regular player. Alex Goodwin. At least that's how it's been working. Michael Crabtree. Shout out to Bart. Shaw. Robert Griffin. Ponder. Oh, and that one. At least the rookie cards and the inserts haven't been damaged, so I'm happy that the You know, to me the rookie cards are the most important, and of course the inserts as well. Let's see. Yep. A.J. Green, Antonio Brown, Calvin Johnson, Vincent Jackson, Ray Rice. His card's damaged just like his career is damaged. Joseph Randle, rookie. Russell Wilson, Andrew Luck, Mendenhall, and Amendola. Yeah, seems like the whole pack, the first 4 or 5 cards. I haven't been counting, but it seems like it's pretty standard card right before the rookie. The rookie is not damaged. And that's usually where they got the insert. Yep, here we go. Doug Martin, McAllister, Wes Welker. All right, game plan is not Maurice Jones-Drew and Eric Fisher. Those 2 are okay. Tebow, Matt Forte, Johnson, and Pierre Garçon. Okay, this should be a patch card, or jersey card, or whatever the heck you want to call it. Fat card. Nope, it is not. I guess I didn't get one this time. Last box had it. Most of my boxes did. Well, let's see what we got. Chris Johnson, Cameron Wake, Fred Jackson, Brown, Drew Brees touchdown, Margus Hunt. Well, this is a really disappointing box. You get a bunch of damaged cards, and then you didn't even get a patch card out of the box. Well, that's a load of garbage. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Sorry this one wasn't so hot. Talk at you later.